In this video, I'll show you how to find Exodus wallet address. You can be able to deposit crypto to Exodus wallet. Now open up your Exodus wallet. There's a whole lot of cryptocurrencies here. So if someone tells you to send him or her your wallet address for him to send you any cryptocurrency, you need to ask the person the crypto is sending, right? So if you want to send all these top cryptos like Bitcoin, Ethereum, also all these cryptos here, what you need to do, let's say if you want to receive Ethereum, click on it. Now you can see that receive icon. Once you click on it, you can be able to copy your Ethereum address. That still applies for the rest of your cryptos here. So yeah, that is how I can do this. But if the person wants to send you, like let's say USDT ERC20, just click on this receive. Come on here, type in USDT. If you look here, there's a whole lot of cryptos here, so you can select anyone on the network. This still applies for USDC as well. So there's a whole lot of them here, so you need to select the right network for you to be able to get your wallet address. If you found this video helpful, share your thoughts below in the comment section. Thank you all for watching. I'll see you in the next video.